Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy mashed potato recipe. For my ingredients, I have about 11 potatoes that I have washed, boiled and peeled. I have 2 tablespoons of blue bonnet butter. You can use any butter of your choice. I have some garlic powder. Next, I have some regular salt, but you can use any salt of your choice. I have some silk coconut milk, but you can also use any milk of your choice. First, I'm adding 1 cup of milk to the bowl with my butter. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to microwave it for about 45 seconds to a minute. You can also melt the butter on the stove top. In the meantime, I'm going to use my tool to mash the potatoes. So guys, the milk is nice and warm and the butter has melted. I'm going to use a spatula just to mix everything together since everything has settled to the top. I'm adding some of that warm milk to the potatoes. That will help it to soften up. So guys, I'm going to add the milk a little bit at a time while mashing the potatoes. By the way guys, you can also use a food processor if you have one. Comment below if you do this by hand or if you use a food processor. This is definitely a workout. I'm trying to make sure that I do not leave back any pieces of potato, that it is smooth. After taste testing, it needed a little bit more of the garlic powder. So this next step is optional, but I had some fresh basil from the garden, so I'm just adding a few leaves just to give it a little flavor. Guys, please make sure to taste your potatoes to see whether or not your potato still needs a little bit of garlic powder or even a pinch of salt. These are my mashed potatoes. They came out soft, smooth, and moist. So I served my mashed potatoes with some chicken and some brown gravy. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.